Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome to the video. I have some incredible big news. Your boy Papa React is moving to Dubai. I want to take you along the whole journey with me. So enjoy the video, smash the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace. So if you haven't seen my current studio, this is what it looks like. You've got the YouTuber 100k plaque over there. Thank you for everyone for helping me get there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and keep this entire thing raw. So that way it's not kind of like perfected like my YouTube builds. My raw feelings, how I'm feeling right now, and the entire move in general. Damn nervous right now to move to Dubai. It's hella scary. If you've ever moved country, you know what I'm talking about. We've shifted everything. So the company, we've got everything moving over there. That means that I'll be pretty much moving away from family, friends, all that stuff. But there's a big potential in Dubai. I love the positivity, I love the energy, I love the entrepreneurs that you find everywhere. The energy over there is insane, and I think it's going to be an important growth part, especially for the PAPAFAM. So this is going to be my first big move, and I kind of want to take you guys along, show you the experience, and it's also going to be an awesome memory to go watch back. When we hit 1 million subscribers, which we will, we're all gonna look back at this day and be like, oh shit, that was a big moment. And yeah, we've got everything. You know when you have that feeling of, I'm pretty sure I forgot something. Yeah, I'm getting that quite a bit right now. So off to a great start. I check where the driver is, and apparently my driver is 6,504 minutes away. Yeah, should be in perfect time. How many feet? 45? Yeah. I'm always hunting for something new. I'm the same. So we just made it to Terminal 3 at Heathrow, straight to Emirates to get rid of this massive bag. Cab driver was pretty cool. Talked to me about a business idea, and he wants to get his daughter working for the social media account. So Jay, hook it up. Hiya.
Good morning, sir. Emirates Dubai.
Yep. Sadly, we don't have business today. Jay actually stopped me from ordering it. We had business, and then he told me off for it. So I was like, this close to ordering it. Got it last time, but we got a lot going on right now in Dubai. Can't be getting business class every time I fly. Oh yeah. Sorry? Yeah, I paid for extra. So that's a right annoying problem. So apparently you can't have more than 32 kg in a bag. This bag is 45 kg. So I have to buy another bag. Great stuff. So we've got a new subscriber. Say what's up, man.
How you doing? You alright?
That's it. He's sorting me out for this overpriced bag that we have to get. Very expensive bags. Okay, so we are through. That was a nightmare. I had to buy another bag for £500. That's a life lesson. If you didn't know, the max limit on one suitcase is 32 kg, and that's because they can't actually lift the bag otherwise. Does anyone else feel like when you're in this kind of area, you're just inclined to spend? I've got a priority pass.
No, so the lounge you're looking for is next.
Oh, priority pass?
Yes, but then I will boarding pass as well.
Number 5 lounge. Not bad. Hello. Okay, my review of number 1 lounge in Heathrow. To be honest, it was better than the first time I went. First time I went, because of COVID, you have to sit down. Couldn't really do much there, but this time, pretty decent. I recommend it. It's pretty good. Every time you seem to fly to Dubai, it's the same gate. It's this one here from Heathrow.
Video is us.
Is that okay?
See, second up.
Thank you. Hopefully, get a row to ourselves.
Yes, of course, right. please start fastening your seatbelt. Thank you.
Bit bumpy landing, but right, I officially touched down. One of my favorite airports, massive, big, and it just looks sick. I'm well excited. Get to see Jay in just a second. Guys, this airport is stunning. I've never been to Dubai. Here's a glimpse, and it's pretty much just straight. So there's no like riffraff. So I'm gonna pick something up from duty free. Then you guys are gonna meet Jay. If you haven't met Jay, Jay's an awesome dude. We've been best friends since university, and he works for me and runs the PAPAFAM. Oh, what's up, man? Oh shit! Mate, it's caught me by surprise, man. I got that on camera. Sneak attack. Usually I meet Jay over there. Came back from there. Hey, what's up to the vlog, Jay? Are you happy to have me in Dubai?
Very sad. Oh,
it's
such a pain, man.
I guess I'll just go back, right? What's up, man?
Oh, man,
good
all
to
good.
see you.
Oh, good.
Oh, dude.
We have to go all the way then.
Alright.
Yeah, I always wondered. So it's good to zoom in on you
Yeah.
when you're showing me the bags and stuff.
Giving Jay a quick lesson on how to. I'm gonna let you push it. I've been lugging that thing around, man. So, how's your day?
Oh, long. Sorting out Sunny's apartment, which we're gonna see soon.
Is it all set?
All set. All keys
Sick.
already in hand, man.
Exciting,
Let's
guys.
go. Let's see it.
We made it. It's like nothing changes. I literally leave in a Tesla, come back to a Tesla. But Jay's looks a bit better. Yours is all blacked out, it looks better. So guys, we are back in Dubai, in the Tesla. Jay's got the proper sick 5% tint. I couldn't get this in London, it looked a bit silly, but... What?
Other side.
Oh!
Unless you wanna
Yeah!
license.
See? I'm used to UK, I was like, what's he doing over around me? See, that's why I can't bring my Tesla over here, in case anyone's wondering. Oh, Jay, check it out, man.
What? Oh, yeah.
Right, let's see Jay's always fresh. It's got a nice smell in your car, man.
Yes.
Yeah, boy.
Smooth.
Sheikh Zayed Road. So right now, game plan is we are going to Jay's apartment, and we're gonna go ahead. I want to see Jay's apartment because he moved into a new place, and then we're gonna pick up some of the gear. So I've got the screens, all that stuff over there. Pick it up, put it in the car, and then hop over to my place and we'll check it out. We've got the keys to my place as well, so it's exciting times. It's like the buzz is back because I'm not here for like, it's not just a normal holiday feel, it's like I'm actually here to stay now, which is mental. Even though like I'm going back a little bit for March, but still it's just, now it's based here and it's kind of like I'm visiting back in London. Yeah, so that's more news actually. So the PAPAFAM is now official. PAPAFAM is official in Dubai.
PAPAFAM
Physical. And yeah, we're legit trading in Dubai now. We just have to do all the headache of setting up all the Stripe accounts and all. God damn it. So talk about work. We are at Jay's apartment now. Nice, dude. Oh wow, it's big, man.
Yeah.
It's massive compared to what you showed. Like, is it on camera? You can't see this. Oh, dude, it's lovely, man.
Yes, bathroom, yeah.
Oh, that's nice, dude.
Yeah, come here, come in.
So
If you want the whole Jumeirah view is there.
this is
I'll
nice.
show
See, I love the oh wow, that is a sick view, man.
In the morning also very nice.
Yeah. So this is the office.
The office, which is a mess because
This
curtains
is
are-
where the magic happens.
This is
And that is the new setup, guys. So
For
we have
Sunny.
a 49-inch screen, brand new Samsung as well. We haven't tried that screen yet. But dude, I love how you decorated this, man.
Yeah.
This is sick. This is exactly what I'd probably do. It's amazing, man.
Yeah, it is.
I was expecting maybe like £200 or something.
And hell, we got that for free also because we bought so much else other furniture. We got points with that, and that became free. This monkey is our the gold.
He's the React mascot. We should have a thumbnail.
The PAPAFAM logo.
A bit of unbox therapy right now. Nice.
Technica.
We've got the rebought machine there. Nice. I don't think you've ever actually seen this yet, have you?
No.
So this is what I use for, if anyone's wondering, whenever I play sounds and I sort of do the audio mixing, this is what I use as the mixer. And then we've got the biggest edition, which is this, which I'm excited for. This is the 49-inch Samsung. So this is our current way.
This is the garbage. We're gonna throw it out now.
Yeah.
Get you nice furniture for your long house. Garbage.
Yeah, it's expensive garbage, eh? That's the statue.
Our future museum. Something.
Mara living on Marina. That's Marina right there. So I'm gonna check it out. What's up, man? It's nice, man. That's what I've been. You got the keys? Right, moment of truth, Jay. This is the new home for the next month. Check it out. So we've got bathroom 1, and then we've got the guest bedroom. Oh, this is big, man. This is nice. And the bathrooms are sick, man. Look, massive bathroom. So, nice. This one I chose because the view here is banging. The view is amazing, so I want you guys to see it as I witness it. Oh, dude, it's way bigger than the video.
Exactly.
Oh my days, the TV is massive, dude. Damn. Jay, stand next to that.
Look.
Oh my days. We didn't furnish this one. This is for this month. And then I've got a different place in April. This is at my trial run in the area. It's a nice big bed though. TV in here's massive as well, dude.
I'm telling you.
Oh, this is nice. I like that. Oh, it's got
a rain shower.
Oh, it's got a rain shower, dude. I've never actually used the rain shower. Alright, guys. In the apartment, our chill space. We have a few drinks and stuff. This is what I was worried about, but it's way bigger than I thought. So I'm gonna have the whole desk set up here. So we're gonna be actually recording that way because there's a sick view I haven't seen yet in person. So we're gonna catch a live reaction.
Big reveal.
How the hell is it? Right. What the hell, man? Where the heck is the door? One sec. Dude, I can't for the life of me figure out when. Alright, now I found it.
Find it?
To be honest, I would keep this open. No. Way, dude.
Let's see it.
What? Okay, that is scary as hell. But wow.
Whoa, holy.
Oh my.
I can't even get this in the shot. The building's that massive. That's sunny right there. Just for reference.
Oh my god. How sick is this?
200-meter elevation, guys. 200 meters from the ground. Elevation.
So guys, I'll be honest with you.
210 actually.
I'm a bit freaked out with heights, but I'll hold it and I'll come near this. They're freaked out at the camera, but I'm happy we chose this one. Look at this, guys. We literally just like chill here, work here. The backdrop will be this in the video now. That's crazy, guys. One sec. Leave it open. One sec. I'll have a look. That is mental, right? Just for some perspective, like, I can't get over this view. Like, just look at that. Like, my hands even shaking. It's like we're so high up right now. To get a sense of Dubai Marina, see if I like the area and so forth. I just keep feeling like this is gonna drop, but I'm pretty sure it's steady. Right, big things, PAPAFAM. Big things happening this year. And we're gonna go ahead and bring everything up, get settled. Big win. Big win. Honestly. Sick, dude. Okay, let's go.